Camping on two wheels is more of an emotion to find even more about yourself. Taking on the roads alone or your closed ones to go beyond the boundaries is always a great idea. And to make the most of these fun and exciting motorcycle trips, we have some amazing things you need for a perfect motorcycle camping trip. So let's begin.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Okay, let's begin with the Moto tent before we hit the brakes. This is a generous sized tent that can accommodate 2 people and perfect for carrying on the back of a bike. Inside the tent, users don't feel claustrophobic, as Moto tent did not compromise space or room. It has a generous space inside to relieve the sore bodies after any long and tiring journey. Rolly Bags WP is the perfect solution to have a hassle-free camping trip on your motorbike. With an idea of doing more with less, Wolfman Rolly Bags offer superior protection with radio frequency welding and custom 840D TPU fabric. To use in any weather condition, the bag uses 100% waterproof fabric, durable straps and buckles. The multi-function bag features a set of 4 webbing straps to carry other additional bags or accessories. One portable tire inflator is a lightweight, smart, portable tire inflator to inflate the flattened tire anytime, anywhere. With a highly efficient lithium-ion battery, one can easily pump up any kind of motorcycle 2 times faster, making it more versatile for different kinds of usage. Despite doing such a heavy task, this shows real-time tire pressure on its bright LCD display. But not just flattened motorcycle tires. One can be used to inflate footballs, bicycle tires, as well as chunky car tires. If you don't want to be without coffee regardless where you are, and Minipresso GR is the solution if you tend to crave for that hot cup of coffee in the middle of nowhere. Compact, lightweight, and versatile, these are the must-have features for a perfect portable espresso machine. And the Minipresso GR is exactly that, to make your favorite cup of coffee anywhere, anytime. Helio could be an excellent gadget for camping, hiking, touring, or any other adventure. With 100% solar energy, Helio is an efficient source of light and power with a runtime of 700 hours. In case of an emergency, the lights can also work as flashlights. Enjoy the outing without any fuss of wires as Helio charges its 5200 mAh battery, all by an ultra-efficient solar panel out under the sun. Camping and touring without fire cooking isn't quite a trip, and Burnwise Wood Stove is here to prove how great a day out in nature can be. This portable stove can fit into any backpack and when in need. It is effortless to assemble and just use. Burnwise Wood Stove will provide an old-school aura to your outdoor experience, extracting gas from wood and then fire cooking with the eco-friendly Burnwise Wood Stove. The very basics of a motorcycle trip are boots, to be precise TCX Hero WP boots. Not many can strike the lovely balance of a tough exterior with a soft and easy interior. Not in this case. Hero WP is rough and tough to go all the way, yet doesn't mind the dirt, thanks to T-Dry waterproof membrane. At the same time, the dedicated midsole makes it very easy and comfortable to wear. Well, now it's time to hit the brakes and cool down inside the Reactor Extreme Liner. It's a handy sleeping bag liner that is both comfortable and warm inside, perfect for cold, windy weather. Thinking about different users, these sleeping liners come in 2 different sizes, regular and large. After all, there's no solution to a long, tiring journey except a sound, nice sleep. A backpack like Arsenal 15 can be anyone's best friend on a motorcycle camping trip. Comfortable and roomy, yet extremely useful to quickly get small accessories out of the bag you need at that moment. Having access to a hydration bladder is nice too. And the front pockets are very handy to keep your important keys or smartphone. Blending with KLIM's tradition, the Arsenal 15 is built with durable materials for ultimate reliability. Wynot's Viking is an amazing and utility duffel bag built to take a lifetime of travel abuse. Its sophisticated design is something we can talk about days, being the perfect size for a quick weekend away, yet rugged enough to take on whatever you throw at it. Designed for individual trips, the Viking doesn't let its high-spec features and ruggedness ruin its style. Contrary to traditional duffel bags, Viking stands out with more storage capacity while providing ultimate weatherproofing. One can't underestimate the importance of a med kit, especially this MYFAK Large by MyMedic. Why? Well, when you're on a motorcycle trip, it's always wise to carry a first aid kit. And MYFAK Large is more than just a big box to carry things, as this kit can carry every medical supplies from minor injuries to equipment to treat life-threatening emergencies. This large version is twice the size of MYFAK and can hold over 200 items, but of course, very easy and convenient to carry along. So, that was our list of things you need for a perfect motorcycle camping trip. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.